All right, welcome to my channel, guys. And this is the follow-up video for the shortcut application that I dropped one video a couple days ago, if you guys remember. And there was a couple shortcut that wasn't working at that time, but for the one of the shortcut, I found a method how to fix that. I'm going to show you guys how to fix that shortcut, and also I'm going to show you guys a couple of the brand new shortcuts that I came across in the last couple of days as well. And they're really awesome. In my opinion, they're must-have on your iPhone. Now, before we dive into this video and before I show you guys, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. Now that's been said, let's get this video started and let me show you guys. So if we open the shortcut application right here, so this is the this is the first page, all shortcuts, and this is the shortcut I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Apple beta right here. So what do you want to do? If we click on it, as you guys can see, you should get the message like this. Hit OK. And how to fix this? See that three dots right there? Click on that three dots. And as you guys can see, you will have window pop up like this. So what do you want to do? First, you want to go to your Safari. And once you go to Safari and type in a Google, the beta developer profile like this, as you guys can see right here. I'm going to leave the link in the description for this, so it's easy for you guys to find it. And as you guys can see, click on the download beta profile right here. And it will bring you to this page right here. And then as you guys can see, in this page, we have all the betas right here. So the latest one is the iOS 16.1 beta 4. And what do you want to do? In the bottom, in the search, see right here, this is the link. And you want to copy that and exit out of the Safari, go into short application, shortcut, and then where it says apple.com, you want to click on here and click again, and you want to paste that link we just copied. And so this is the link right here. So then you want to hit on done. And now let me close this both of the windows. And now if we open the shortcut application, and all you want to do is click on this shortcut right here, and it will directly take you to that beta profile, and then from here you can download. So let me show you guys just the purpose of this video. This is the beta, and you want to click on install profile right here, and then in the bottom you will see install again, and it will take you to this window. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow it? So you want to hit allow. Okay, there you go. And then you want to hit close. And then we exit from here and go to the setting application right there. And as you guys can see right here, profile downloaded. And once you click on that, click on download again. And then you want to enter the passcode for your screen lock. So as you guys can see right here, this is the beta. Install again. And in the bottom, as you guys can see, we got the two options, install or cancel. We're going to hit install. And as you guys can see, restart requested. Please restart your iPhone to apply changes. So we're going to hit restart. And it shouldn't take that long to come back. So let's wait. And this is a really easy fix. As you guys can see, the phone is coming back, and I'm going to show you guys the next step. So there you go. So we're going to unlock our phone. And if I go to the setting again, right here, let me turn the brightness down so you guys can actually see it. And if we go down right here and click on the software update, and as you guys can see right here, my phone is already updated to the latest iOS up to date, because I dropped one video yesterday that I upgraded to iOS 16.1 beta 4. So if I go to about and go to iOS version right here, as you guys can see, my phone is already updated, and this is how you can fix that the Apple beta shortcut. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comments below. And then now we're gonna move to the next new shortcut that I found yesterday, and it is going to be this one right here, SMS bummer. So if we click on this, as you guys can see, this is the window pop-up. And what do you want to do? Click on the SMS bummer. There you go. And then you want to choose the contact from your list, the address book. And let me find the number that I want to send the SMS. And then I'll show you guys. So as you guys can see, what would you like to write as SMS to Branson 44? That's my another number. So let me show you guys. Let me bring my phone closer. And as you guys can see, this is my second phone that I choose the number for. So what are we gonna do? As you guys can see the screen. So in this field right here, which says text. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type in good morning. So this is the text, and then hit done. And the next, how many times would you like to send this SMS to this person? So and the default is selected as 1. So you want to delete that, and then let's say we're gonna type in 15. So once you type the number that you how many times you want to send the SMS, and hit done. And as you guys can see right here, would you like to continue? If you click yes, you will send 15 SMS to this contact. So we're gonna hit OK, and as you guys can see right here, right there, see the countdown started, and on the top it keep coming, and same message is repeating over and over again. This is really, really awesome. And as you guys can see right here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And that's it. And on your phone, you're going to get this message: send complete. Do not abuse the mass sending of SMS. So all you want to do is hit OK, and that's it. So yeah, this is how you send one message, or if you want to just mess with your family member or your friend, this is how you do this. And you don't have to be jailbroken or anything. This is the shortcut that work on any Apple device. That if you use shortcuts, this is the best shortcut, in my opinion, to just mess with your friends. So that's all for this video. I have more shortcuts that I want to show you guys, and I will record one more separate video for it. And at this point, I just want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel, and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. That's all for right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.